Hello friends, welcome to Study with Harshit. Today I am going to share with you complete revision of Unit 1st, Human Resource Management. Human Resource Management, it is concerned with the people dimension in management of an organization. Human Resource Management is a process which consists of four main activities, namely acquisition, development, motivation, as well as maintenance of the human resources. Definition according to Edwin B. Filippo, human resource management is the planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of the procurement, development, compensation, integration, maintenance, and separation of human resource to the end that individual, organizational, and social objective are accomplished. 5M of management: material, machines, method, money, man. These are the 5M of management. Nature of human resource management. A part of management discipline, universal existence, concerned with people, action oriented, directed toward achievement of objective, integrating mechanism, development oriented, and continuous process. Now discuss all of these in detail. Continuous process. HRM is not only a one short deal, it cannot be practiced only 1 hour each day or 1 day a week. It requires constant alertness and awareness of human relations and their importance in everyday operation. Development oriented HRM instead to develop the full potential of employees. The reward structure is turned to the needs of employees. Training is provided to improve the skill of employee. Every attempt is made to use their talent fully in the service of organizational goals. Integrating mechanism. HRM tries to build and maintain cordial relation between people working at different level in the organization. It tries to integrate human assets in the best possible manner for achieving organizational goals. Directed toward achievement of objectives. HRM is directed toward achievement of organizational objective by providing tools and techniques of managing people in the organizational effectively. Action oriented HRM focus attention on action rather than on record keeping. Written procedure or rules, the problem of employee are solved through rational policies. Concerned with people, HRM is all about people at work, both as individual and group. It tries to put people on assigned job in order to perceive good result. The result gain are used to reward people and motivate them toward further improvement is productivity. Universal existence HRM is pervasive in nature. It is present in all enterprises. It permeates all levels of management in an organization. A part of management discipline. HRM is a part of management discipline. It is not a discipline itself, but not only a field of study. HRM, being a part of management process, draws heavily from management concept, principle, and technique and apply these in the management of human resource. Scope of HRM: human resource planning, job analysis, procurement, orientation, training development, performance appraisal, compensation rewards, and industrial relations. These are the scope of HRM where HRM is used. Objective of human resource management: to act as a link between the top management and the employees, to arrange and maintain adequate manpower inventory, which in turn ensure the smooth working of the organization, to offer training as a way of developing skills, enhancing productivity, and most importantly, increasing individual and organizational performance to achieve the desired result. To devise employees benefit scheme for improving employee motivation and group morale and enhancing employee cooperation to ensure and enhance quality of work life, which refers to the employee perception of their physical and psychological well-being at work. Importance of HRM: match demand and supply of HR, hire the right person for the job, provide training and development, minimize attrition rate, employee benefit, motivation, health, and safety. These are the importance, significance of HRM, Human Resource Management. HRD. HRD stands for Human Resource Development. It is a mechanism that may ensure organization human resources are skillful, knowledgeable, competent, and possesses the correct behavior attitude for the present as well as future. HRD definition according to Maclan. HRD is the integrated use of training and development, career development, and organizational development to improve individual and organizational effectiveness. Objective: human resource development to enhance organizational capabilities, to develop a variety of competency, to promote individual and collective morale, to prepare employee for higher level job. HRD mechanism function: role analysis and development, quality circle, reward, performance appraisal, employee training, and last one is career planning. Difference between HRM and HRD: human resource management versus human resource development. First of all, we focus on the point HRM management function. Reactive: deal with HRP recruitment, selection, training, performance appraisal, compensation, routine process, concerned with people, responsibility of HR manager department. Now discuss about HRD, subset of HRM. Proactive: develop the skill, knowledge, competency of the employee, ongoing continuous process, concerned with overall organization, responsibility of all managers. These are the difference between HRM and HRD. Strategic HRM. Strategic human resource management provide a framework linking people management and development practice to long-term business goal and outcome. It focuses on long-term resourcing issue within the context of an organization, goals and evolving nature of work. HRM roles in strategy, formulation and implementation. Administrative linkage, lower level of integration. HRM function attain is focused on day-to-day activities. No input from the HRM function to the company's strategic plan is given. One-way linkage. The strategic business planning function develop the plan and then inform the HRM function of the plan. HRM then help in the implementation. Two-way linkage allow for consideration of human resource issue during the strategy formulation process. The HRM function expected to provide input to potential strategic choice and then help implement the chosen option. Integrative linkage is based on continuing rather than sequential interaction. Barriers to strategic HRM: short term focus on current performance, the inability of HR of think strategically, lack of appreciation for what HR can contribute, failure to understand line manager role as an HR manager, difficulty in quantifying many HR outcomes, perception of human asset as higher risk investment. These are the barriers to strategic HRM. Linking HR strategy with business strategy. 5 steps to align HR with the business strategy. Understand the main strategic goal. All strategies should be aligned toward the same outcome. Map out a skill matrix. How does your current team contribute to the company strategy? Formalize your talent strategy. Measure HR outcome. Stay in touch with the strategist. These are the 5 steps to align HR with the business strategy. Role of HR manager. The human resource manager will lead and direct the routine function of the human resource department, including hiring and interviewing staff, administrate pay, benefit and leave, and enforcing company policy and practices. Role of HR in merger and acquisition. Ensuring both company cultures come together and do not crash. Each one of HR's biggest role in the entire process. If the culture do not fit, the merger or acquisition very often fails. M&A deals are made for creating growth and open up a multitude of opportunities for the buying company. Technology and HR and changing role of HR due to technology. HR technology is an umbrella term for software and associated hardware for automating the human resource function in organization. It includes employee payroll and compensation, talent acquisition and management, workforce analysis, performance management, and benefit administration. Technology changes and the way HR department contact employees, store file and analyze employee performance used well. Technology makes HR practice for efficient. When used poorly, it can get it the way of managing the company's human resource. Good HR practices maximize the benefit and minimize the problems. HR linkage with TQM and productivity. Linkage is very much clear when human resource of the company are satisfied, they work with their full extent. Through this, the productivity of the company rises and reaches to a higher point, and if human resources are dissatisfied, the productivity decreases. It is the complete revision of HRM Unit 1. I hope you like this. For more videos like this, please subscribe our YouTube channel, Study with Harshit. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this video.